Yeah. I wish there'd never press it that way.
What?
By the drapes over there, Brian.
There's more presents over there.
I think I see a wrapping paper right on the side.
Santa didn't bring enough stuff.
By the window.
Maybe it's for me.
There's two.
Okay.
Who's it to?
Colin's or Jen's or yours? Watch out for the laptop there, please.
Ryan. I bet you it's a BB gun.
There's no BB gun in the
Christmas
house.
story.
Mom said no BB guns.
But it could be. For you too. Sounds like it. Oh man.
Mom said you couldn't have BB guns.
A Red Ryder.
Get out. This is not Christmas story.
It is too. Yeah. On top
Is it real?
Oh yeah.
Did you really want one of those?
Yeah.
I want a BB gun too.
Man, these are like Christmas sweets. Those are the bullets. Those are the marbles.
The marbles. They're bullets and marbles. I love it.
Yep.
They're called BBs.
I was like, is this ready?
Yes.
Well, Merry Christmas there, Brian. That's really something.
This is awesome.
I see the bullet.
Just like in the Christmas story. How did Dad know that, John? Could you see through the curtain since
No,
it's
I
white?
could see it over there. I could see the... Look, you can see the side. We'll take it out,
Is
see
it
what it looks
real?
like.
Is it real? Can you really shoot?
Yeah, that's a real BB gun. It's a real Red Ryder BB gun.
And Mom, Santa put in the shade.
You get this open, Mom.
Santa
really
didn't
good
listen
for
to her.
Well, Merry Christmas, Brian.
Yeah, no kidding.
Merry
And
Christmas,
where will let that
Colin.
BB gun?
That'd be really cool to take out to Uncle Mitch's.
Yeah.
Merry Christmas, Jenny. Merry Christmas, Mom.
10 and up. Or all day.
10 and up, so
Say
that's it,
that.
and you can't do it till you're 10.
Where does it say that?
Right there. It's on the side.
Oh,
I'll have to put it
whatever.
away there.